Hey guys, and today I have another homemade squishy update, starting off with the Instagram requests, and I chose the first 3 commented requests for hitting 10k to make. First up is this Big Bang GD bear, I think it was, and I didn't know what it was, but I know it's K-pop. And so I guess this is their mascot. I looked it up online. Super duper squishy because I made it with double-sided tape. So there's that one. Next request is a potato squishy, and I just decided to draw this face on it because it looked kind of boring without anything. And here is the final request, which is a mama goma in a car. This looks more like a bus though. I honestly don't like how this one turned out. It looks really ugly. Then I have this sushi. The rice part isn't that squishy because it's made with clay, and the rice was inspired by Moon White. Then I have this Pancakes Gooshie that comes with a honey packet. The honey is resealable and it's slime. Next I have this Octopus Kosher, and I saw this character on Instagram. If you do know what the character's name is, please comment down below. This is also made from double-sided tape. And lastly, for this homemade squishy update, I have this bronze play button for hitting 10,000 subscribers. Super duper squishy. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye! And by the way, I do have a tutorial on this one, so I'll leave the link to that tutorial in the description box.